when I do count the clock that tells the time, and see the brave day sunk in hideous night, and sable curls all silvered o'er with white, when I behold the violet past prime. When lofty trees I see barren of leaves, which erst from heat did canopy the herd, and summer's green all girded up in sheaves, borne on the bier with white and bristly beard. Then of thy beauty do I question make, that thou among the wastes of time must go, since sweets and beauties do themselves forsake, and die as fast as they see others grow. And nothing 'gainst time's scythe can make defense, save breed, to brave him when he takes thee hence. 当我数着报时的钟声，看见灿烂的白昼沉入可怖的黑夜，当我望见紫罗兰青春已逝，乌黑的卷发渐渐染满霜白，当我看见曾经枝繁叶茂的大树如今光秃，那曾为牛群遮蔽酷暑的浓荫不在，当夏日的青翠都已捆扎成树，如白须老人般被抬上灵车送葬，那时我便开始为你的美丽担忧，因为你终将随时间的荒芜逝去，正如甜美与美丽都会自我背弃，眼见他人成长，自己却加速凋零，没有什么能抵御时间的镰刀，唯有子嗣能在他带走你时向他挑战。